What's yours?
Let's just open it and we'll see actually. Oh, come on. No, it's like a bread. Bread, you like. I have chicken hands. Yes, like that. Yes.
I want
That's
to put it
good.
I'm going to rip this cheese apart. You do the same.
And just make sure, wait, just check your things on the side. So you might want to like move your over, yeah, so that we yes, once these girls have
Very good.
finished, and we might give it a little wash as well first. So yeah, we'll just give it a little.
We know this is gonna give us 100 points each. Very exciting. Oh, you will have your turn. Don't worry about it. You will. We didn't do our points yesterday, so I'm gonna
We might win.
do. We don't know yet. So if we keep our heads down and don't draw attention, then we might just win this house challenge. Yes.
We might
No,
actually
they don't.
double it.
It looks like we don't have enough points. Well, if there's room, good plate, select the good plates. If there's no room, then get rid of those. No mushrooms for you.
No mushrooms for you.
No mushrooms for you.
Not what my
No mushrooms for you.
No mushrooms. No mushrooms.
Maybe you have fake hair.
You have fake face. That's right. Fake face.
You have fake hair.
No, I don't have fake hair. It's real.
No.
You have fake eyeballs.
You have fake eyeballs.
You have fake eyeballs.
You have fake wings.
Fake ring. Whoa, it is real.